there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without all the guesswork. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a smackdown between two titans, the ELEGOO Saturn and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo. It's gonna be a showdown of epic proportions, so grab your popcorn and let's get started. All right, folks, let's kick things off with the all-important price tag. On the left, we have the ELEGOO Saturn coming in at a cool $352. And on the right, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo, priced at just $239. That's right, the Kobra 2 Neo is cheaper, leaving you with enough cash to buy, well, more filament probably. Or a celebratory pizza, your choice. Speed demons, listen up. The ELEGOO Saturn boasts a printing speed of up to 70 millimeters per hour. Not too shabby, right? But hold on to your hats, because the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is here to lap the Saturn with a maximum print speed of 250 millimeters per second. That's over 65% faster for the same model. It's like comparing a tortoise to a cheetah on a sugar rush. ELEGOO, you might want to invest in some rocket fuel. Now, let's talk size, because bigger is always better, right? The ELEGOO Saturn flexes with a generous build volume of 218.88 x 122.88 x 250 cubic millimeters. Meanwhile, the Kobra 2 Neo, well, let's just say it's a bit more modest in this department. If you're looking to print life-size replicas of your cat, ELEGOO's got your back. Kobra 2 Neo, maybe stick to miniatures. Print quality is where the magic happens. The ELEGOO Saturn struts in with a 10-inch 12K mono LCD, offering a jaw-dropping resolution of 11,520 by 5,120 and an XY resolution of 19 by 24 micrometers. It's like watching a blockbuster in IMAX. On the flip side, the Kobra 2 Neo employs some fancy firmware to reduce spillage and resonance, promising smoother, clearer model details. It's like comparing an oil painting to a digital masterpiece. Both stunning, but in different ways. Reviewers of the ELEGOO Saturn love its detailed prints and quiet operation, while Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo users appreciate the smooth and clear details achieved with its firmware. Next up, user-friendliness. The ELEGOO Saturn sports a laser-carved build plate for excellent adhesion. Sounds fancy, right? But the Kobra 2 Neo isn't backing down. It comes with LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. Plus, it's designed to be newbie-friendly. Essentially, it's like the Kobra 2 Neo hands you a map and a flashlight, while the ELEGOO Saturn hands you a compass and wishes you luck. Reviewers of the ELEGOO Saturn have noted its easy setup, but also mentioned minor design issues, while Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo users have praised its ease of use for both beginners and seasoned makers. Software time! The ELEGOO Saturn uses Voxeldance Tango Software with 3 printing modes, and it's compatible with third-party slicers like CHITUBOX and Lychee Slicer. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your 3D printing needs. The Kobra 2 Neo? Well, it's got the basics covered, but it's not exactly the software rockstar that the Saturn is. Sorry, Kobra, but you might need a few more dance lessons. Reviewers of the ELEGOO Saturn appreciate the flexibility offered by its software, while some Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo users have faced difficulties with the mandatory slicer software. Last but not least, let's talk customer service. The Kobra 2 Neo comes with a 1-year after-service warranty, with additional coverage for the print head and heated bed. Plus, they offer lifetime technical support, Meanwhile, ELEGOO, well, they're probably busy perfecting their next 12K marvel. So if you like a safety net, the Kobra 2 Neo might just be your new best friend. Reviewers of the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo have highlighted the responsive customer support, while ELEGOO Saturn users have also praised their prompt customer service despite limited warranty coverage. Both the ELEGOO Saturn and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo have garnered positive reviews for their respective strengths. ELEGOO Saturn users rave about its build quality, detailed prints, and quiet operation, although some have faced minor design issues. On the other hand, Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo users love its high-speed printing, ease of use, and responsive customer support, though some have experienced software and setup challenges. So there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Saturn and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo both bring their A-game, but they cater to different needs and budgets. If you want lightning-fast prints and a budget-friendly option, the Kobra 2 Neo is your go-to. But if you're after stunning detail and a larger build volume, the ELEGOO Saturn is your champion. Either way, you can't go wrong. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Drop a comment below and let us know which 3D printer you'd choose and why. Until next time, stay smart and happy printing. Product links are in the description.